stopping you. You were doing 85.
Yeah, I was trying to get out your way.
You were trying to get out my way?
Yeah.
What you mean you were trying to get out my way?
Like you was in my tail.
Yeah, because you were doing so fast. You got your license on you, bud? Nothing in the car you know about guns, drugs, bombs? Mind if I take a look?
In the car?
Yeah. I can or can't?
No, you can't.
I can't? Okay. 64 something. Start me K9, stop 329 and 301. What's that?
I just got the car from the shop. I just got the car from the shop.
Okay. Okay, stand by for me. Is it your car, bud?
My mom's and I.
Your mom's and yours? Okay, you don't got no guns or nothing like that? Okay. License good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no suspensions, nothing like that, right?
Just got them back. They were suspended for child support.
Okay.
And I didn't know it. And I went and took care of that.
When was that taken care of?
About 2 to 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
So yeah, they good.
All right, good deal, bud. Right there's good.
But I ain't long bought this car.
Okay. Yeah, the window, it has to be 15% in the back or above. It's showing 4%. Okay? That's illegal. You roll this one about halfway up, just a hair. All right, right there's good. This one has to be 28 or above. What does that say?
15.
Exactly. Okay. All right.
When I purchased the car,
Just hang on for me, okay? Give me a second. All right, buddy, here's what's going on, okay? A K9 deputy is here to assist me on this traffic stop. He's gonna conduct a free air sniff with his dog around your vehicle, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to keep your hands up on the steering wheel where I can see them at all times while he's doing this, but I want you to roll this window up about 2/3 of the way. What's that? About even with this one. Keep that left hand up. No, there's no passengers in the car. Yeah. All right, buddy. So what's going on right now is, okay, keep your hands up.
okay.
Get that hand out of there, okay? Go ahead and step out for me, okay? The dog alerted on a odor of narcotics coming from the vehicle, okay? Do you have anything in your pockets that I need to know about? Guns, drugs, bombs, nothing gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me, right? Nothing in that car you need to tell me about? Keep your hands out of your pocket. Okay. All right, you're acting real nervous. I'm just gonna detain you in handcuffs, okay? You good with that? All right, buddy. Nothing in your pockets, right? Where's all that money from?
Work.
You work?
Yeah. CLM transport.
Good deal. Yeah, more money in this pocket. That's a lot of money. Hey, buddy, I'm going to read you something, okay? I'm going to give you some, if you want to talk, we'll talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to execute these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now? No? Okay. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to go double lock these so they don't cinch down on you or nothing. You're going to have a seat in the back of my car for now until we figure out what's going on. All right, buddy?
Air valve for me. It fell out my hand. Got some air valves in my hand.
What's that? What is it? hold on right now. For now. Hey, can y'all unlock your car? What's that?
Got one right there on the ground.
Yeah, okay. Not 100% sure what he's got in his hand yet.
Is it?
What is it?
It was an air bag.
Well, okay, hold on. Listen, you don't want to talk to me, bud, that's fine. So we're gonna have a see my partner's car back here.